Gabriel School students are going to do a moral drama. Let's see and enjoy.
How are you? How are you, Vani? I'm fine. I love to play in water. So, Vani, come let us go and play. No, my mother will shout and beat me if my new frog gets dirty. Okay, I will play then. Rani, stop doing this. Rani, stop. Don't do this. My new frog gets dirty. Oh, Rani, you made my new frog gets dirty. I will go and report to my mother. Vani, stop. I am very sorry. Vani, stop. I am very sorry. Rani had colored my new blue frog.
Vani, don't cry. How dare to do this? Where is she? Come, let us go. Rani. You naughty kid, you made my daughter's frog dirty. How dare to do this? You waste lady, how dare to beat my daughter and catch her neck? My daughter's frog dirty. So how can you beat her and catch her neck? Hey Vani, why you played with my daughter? Because of you she got beaten with your mother. How dare to do this? How dare to do this? You did first. You stupid. You nasty.
Stop calling. Where are you calling?
Hey, make him.
Hey, stupid idiot. She's catching her hair.
Stop calling. Stop.
Yes, lady. Stop involving in it, okay? You stupid.
Rani, I'm very sorry. Come, let us go and play. Hey, elder idiot, stop quarreling. So the two childs forgetting their quarreling, playing each other. So the children only wiser than elders. నీతి పెద్దలు చిన్నపిల్లల విషయంలో జోక్యము చేసుకోవడం మంచిది కాదు. చిన్న పిల్లలకు క్షమించే మనస్తత్వం ఉంది. పెద్దలు దాన్ని చూసి అనుసరించి నడుచుకుంటే మంచిదని ఈ కథ యొక్క నీతి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.